Hey guys, I'm Archana. For those of y'all who don't know me, welcome to my channel, and for those of y'all who are already a part of my family, welcome back to my channel. Firstly, I would like to thank you all for subscribing to my channel. I just love the response and I hope you keep supporting me.
Oh my god! Wow!
So in today's video, I'll be talking about few basic things that everyone should own, and I'm not asking you to have these things in the brands I mentioned here, but you should have them because if you have it, your life is sorted. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video.
And on we'll go.
So after you saw my intro, which I think was awesome,
Right? Isn't it?
let's get into the actual content of this video. So what do you think is the first item I'll be mentioning in this video? Any guesses? It's the most random but a very important thing that everyone must have. That's a water bottle. I might sound stupid, but a lot of you don't carry it, man, because you think it's cool not to carry it. But everyone must have a water bottle, and I will tell you, water is not just to keep yourself hydrated, but it is also very good for your health and also keeps your skin clear. Trust me on this. And
वाटर बॉटल नहीं, उसमें पानी भी लेकर जाओ, okay?
also prefer carrying steel bottles rather than the plastic ones, because plastic is hazardous both for the nature and for your health. So yeah, get yourself a water bottle and stay hydrated. So the second thing is a sunscreen and a lip balm. I can't stress enough on why sunscreens are so important, but these are like my baby, you guys. Back then I used to not use a sunscreen. I mean, you know why if you watch my first video, but ever since I started using them, my skin has behaved so well. And also, pro tip, right after you apply the sunscreen, give yourself a 30-minute gap. Don't go directly into the sun. And make sure your sunscreen is at least above SPF 30. So you have a sunscreen but you can't apply it on your lips, so you'll be needing a lip balm. Having chappy lips is really unappealing, so use a lip balm to keep your lips moisturized now and then. And for all of you who don't have it, please buy these, because these are very, very, very important. So the third thing is a sanitizer and a tissue. So don't think I'm asking you to carry a sanitizer because of the pandemic, but you have to have it even then. Just tell me it's not just me. Whenever I apply sanitizer over my dirty hands, I feel like I'm rubbing the germs over and over again. I don't know, it just creeps me out sometimes. So what I do is I basically put the sanitizer over tissues and I rub it over my hands. So I feel like, yeah, if my hands are clean whatsoever. Just use it however you feel like using. And sometimes I also use wet tissues because I'm really, really, really lazy to go till the washroom. So yeah, having sanitizer, tissues or wet tissues are very important. So get them. Now let's talk about how you smell. You might look 101% attractive, but honey, if you don't smell good, your attractive level completely goes down. So make sure you use a body deodorant. I personally don't use perfumes because it gives me headaches. So yeah, you can use either a perfume or a body deodorant. And a pro tip again is that you can use Vaseline and then you can put perfume so it stays for a longer time. Let's talk about having a good breath now. I use this mouth freshener at home so that my breath doesn't stink or whatever. But whenever you go outside, if you think this is too big for you to carry, you can either use the spray ones or you can carry gums too. And at home I use this body mist after I get out of my shower, because this is really subtle and the right kind of I just like this one, so I use this at home. Now let's talk about intimate hygiene. Girls, please keep at least 2 sanitary pads in your bags, because you might never know who will be wanting it. Also, an alternative is a menstrual cup, and I had switched to it, and I will always choose a menstrual cup over a pad because of 3 main reasons, being it is comfy, it is pocket friendly, and it is also eco-friendly. The box says you can use this for up to 10 years, but it's it's your call if you want to like switch it after few years. And also just don't throw these things in a bag, because it is obviously it is meant for hygiene. So make sure if you can put it in a box, or you know, cups have these bags with it, so you can either use this or this. Now that we're talking about intimate hygiene, the seventh thing are these razors. I don't know why girls go through so much pain, you know, to do this hot wax. I will always go for the razors for two things. Your hair might grow fast compared to that of the hot wax, but it will never grow thick, and also you don't have to go through so much pain. And a lot of people don't know about this face razors. It's basically to remove your facial hair. It's normal, guys. Everyone has facial hair. If you're a human, you will have facial hair. There's nothing to be shy about. Instead of, you know, going for threading or it's really painful, so just go for these facial razors. And also you need to pick razors, because what if you have to go for a sudden party and you can't book an appointment? So you will have to pick these razors. And if you have a really dry or sensitive skin, please apply aloe vera gel or soap water or conditioners, and then remove your hair. So yeah. Now let's talk about clothing, and boys, this is for you too. Whenever you open your wardrobe, there is always this one go-to outfit that you'll always pick, and for me it is this well-fitted high-waisted jeans and this basic t-shirt. I'm not asking you to have the same things that I showed you, but you can have shirts or either kurtas or anything, but make sure it is neutral colored and not very poppy, because you can style it even for morning and for a night look also. So make sure you have basic clothing item. Okay, now after the thingy, let me mention the two things that I was about to tell you, being the sunglasses and the scarf. So make sure you have this basic sunglasses that goes with every outfit, because you know, you don't want to spend on different sunglasses. Sunglasses are not just to protect your eyes, but also makes your outfit go from this to this. So yeah, and also the scarf, because you will be really groomed at home, right? But when you go to the venue, all your effort goes to waste. So what you can do is cover yourself with this scarf, so that you don't be exposed to dust and pollution, and also your hair doesn't become very frizzy. And honey, if you're really bothered about all these opinionated comments, or if you're really offended by it, please cover yourself. Thank you. Now let's talk about the knick-knack things that I carry, being a pen, band-aids and clips, hair ties, safety pins and everything. I'll tell you the story behind me carrying a pen. I was never a girl who carried a pen, but a few months back I went to passport office and it took me so long to find a pen there. And when I asked a person to lend me a pen, he looked at me like as if I asked for his kidney. Like, I'm like,
kidney thodi na manga tha, pen manga tha bhai.
So I was very embarrassed. So after that I started carrying a pen. And also you guys need to carry a pen, because you might never know where you might need to fill the form or something. And I carry this pen so that
when you guys meet me, I need to give you my autograph, right?
So sorry about that. And then I carry these band-aids because I'll tell you the story behind this also. When I was in 10th, my teachers used to ask me like, Archana, where is your assignment? And I'm like searching for my bag and for a band-aid, and then I put a band-aid on my hand. I'm like,
ma'am, I'm sorry ma'am, I had a cut on my hand. I'm sure ma'am, tomorrow I will write thank you ma'am.
That's how I used to work. But I'm not promoting that. That's wrong to do. You shouldn't do it. But you know, if someone might have injuries, or if you have shoe bites because of the new shoe that you're wearing, band-aids, good to go. And in this box I have clips, hair tie and safety pin, and also the bobby pins, that's what it's called. And I'll tell you why I carry these safety pins. I went to this girls washroom in my college, and I remember 3 girls coming and asking to me like, do you have a safety pin? And I'm like, no man, I'm so sorry. And after that I started carrying safety pins, because you might never know when you might need a safety pin. So yeah, these 3 things are the things that are always in my bag. So guys, these were my go-to things that I use every day, and I assure you, if you have this in your vanity, your life is sorted. Please do like, share and subscribe, and I hope you give the same love that you had given me on my previous video, and actually even more. So until next time, bye bye. I love you guys.